In today's video, I am going to teach you how to temporarily disable Shop on Shopify. If you want to temporarily stop visitors from accessing your Shopify store, there are two parts to this process. First, you can restrict access to the storefront with a password. Then, if you also want to reduce your subscription cost while the store is paused, you can switch to Shopify's Pause and Build option. Start by going to your Shopify admin and opening Online Store, then Preferences. In this area, look for the option that says Limit Access to Visitors with the Password. Turn that on by checking the box. This setting places a password page in front of your storefront, so customers will not be able to browse the site unless they have the password. This is useful if you are taking a short break, updating products, or making changes behind the scenes. Next, enter a password and add a message for visitors. The password is what someone would need to type in to access the store, and the message lets you explain that the shop is temporarily unavailable. Keep your message simple and clear so visitors understand that the store is paused for now and may return later. Once you have filled in those fields, click Save to apply the changes. At this point, your storefront access is limited. That handles the temporary disablement on the front end. If you also want to lower costs while the store is not actively selling, the next step is to adjust your plan. Go to Settings, then Plan. In the Plan section, choose Pause and Build. This option is designed for stores that are not currently selling but still need access to the admin so work can continue in the background. It is a practical choice if you want to keep editing your store without paying for a fully active selling plan. After selecting Pause and Build, confirm the change. Once confirmed, your store will be placed into that paused state under the adjusted plan terms. This gives you a way to temporarily step back from selling while still keeping the store available for future updates and reactivation. That covers everything you need to know.